How intermittent fasting works and affects the body. What is your idea about fasting? I could take a guess. Diets that claim to help you get your desired body shape and size. According to research that has been carried out, fasting does a lot more than get you your dream body. It also has great potentials to improve upon your health. Intermittent fasting could be known as starvation done strategically. The whole point behind this is to regulate your eating and fasting times to shed some weight. People fast for up to 16 hours and others even go beyond, while others below. You might be wondering how fasting works. Your body simply converts food into glycogen and stores in the liver. The glycogen is then used as energy reserves. When these energy reserves are low, your body then burns fat and releases it into your bloodstream. The fats then get transported to the liver and are used up as energy. That may have shed some light, but you might still be baffled with the question as to how intermittent fasting works. In this video, we are going to look at how it works and also how it affects us. Before we begin, please click subscribe and click on the notification icon to get alerts on new content. According to a study carried out, people who fasted showed a 60% increase in energy used from fat. However, 18 hours was the lowest time where any significant change was recorded. Intermittent fasting puts the body in a state of ketosis. When the body begins using fats as energy source, it releases chemicals known as ketones. The ketone can do a whole lot for your health. In the brain, ketone promotes the release of a molecule called a brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This molecule's primary function is to build strength between the neurons and neural pathways, and it improves upon learning and memory. Ketone also has been known to provide relief to epileptic patients. Apart from fasting, you can also change your diet to all fatty food diet to get into ketosis. A study carried out showed that switching your diet to an all fatty food increased ketone production 4-fold, while fasting did that 20-fold. Fasting has also been discovered to reduce bad cholesterol according to a study. Intermittent fasting also regulates blood sugar levels and keeps you healthy. This is done by increasing insulin resistance. Periodic fasting has also been linked with lower risks of heart diseases, diabetes and cancer. As you can see, intermittent fasting does a lot more than keep us in shape. Fasting and ketosis have been one of the reasons for our survival. If you desire to stay mentally and physically healthy, then I advise you to go in for intermittent fasting. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, share with your friends and loved ones because they might also need it. Any contributions, suggestions or ideas are very welcomed in the comment section.